Hey guys, welcome back to Review Wallet. Today I'm going to make a video on Honor X9B 5G smartphone. Like they launch so many advanced features with this mobile. They come with a Honor Ultra Bounce anti-drop display as well as 5000 microns battery 3 years. They're claiming that they'll give you 3 years battery life, and it comes with a 108 megapixel lossless capture camera. And they're going to give some more options like SS with new technology and gold battery DxO Mark 2024. Let's dive into the future. And backside we have a two cameras like Honor X. Comes with the Honor X9B 5G comes with a 198 megapixel and two 108 main megapixel camera. And coming to the next backside design also circle we have a two cameras, one flashlight. I think like a four there are so many highlights are there. One is Honor Ultra Bounce anti-drop display and 1.5 retina resolution like SGS 5-star whole device drop resistance certification also there by 5-fold eye protection also there. This is the first time I heard about a 5-fold eye protection. I never heard about this thing. And device drop resistance certificate can last for long. It cannot break your mobile when you drop from your hand. It can easily hold in, like it can resist so many times when you fall from your hand. And it has a 5800 microns battery. Like a few days back Honor launched in India like a Honor 9. It was also the smartphone is decent. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, and this day they came with a like a powerful performance like 4nm Snapdragon against 6 Gen 1 gaming chipset. I don't know about like why they are going back to G6 Gen 1 instead of 7 Gen 1. I don't think we have to, when you purchase device if you want to if you want a mobile with a performance, let better choose Gen like a 7 Gen 1 processor. For this price they can come with a like a 7 Gen 2 7 Gen 3 processor. I don't know why they're going back to 6 Gen 2. I don't know about this physical device right now. If I don't have any physical device to do some testing. I think this is the latest chipset from the Qualcomm. I think so. That's why this is the world's first 6 Gen 1 processor. They recently launched this. And as well as coming to camera department, we have a 108 megapixel lossless capture camera. One comes with the 108 mega main camera, and it can motion capture. We have a 3x optical lossless chips. Zoom. And coming to charm first sight and background, we have a orange color texture. We have two colors variant. One is black color, one is orange color. Orange color texture good look, and it comes the curved display. I think so slim, slow slim. Charm first style, low first touch, and comes into 100 grams in weight and 7.98 mm thickness. This is the most like a slimmest phone I think. And next come to the phone, we have a front camera. This is the Honor Ultra Bounce anti drop display, 360 degrees anti drop protection is also there. I don't know what is anti drop. I think when like a water prone cushioning, deep seal protection and single band reinforcement protection, they came with a new three things like a brand new Honor cushioning material with the micron seized pores can absorb up to 1.2 times of impact of drop. When you drop your mobile, it's many like few mobiles can resist for some extent. They're going to give a five like a three times extended protection for this mobile. I think they're claiming that, and comes with a SGS like a, I think it's a rating is first in industry like 5-star oral drop resistance. They come with a 5-star rating for drop test. And next comes with a 1.5K vivid display, super clear bright 1.5K retina resolution, shows very like a high brightness. We can come with a good quality screen, and as well as they comes with a resolution 260 into 1200 420 ppa. 120 is refresh rate. For gaming it's good. I think it's not for high end gaming, it's like moderate gaming. And 1 billion color, 100% DCI P3 white color gamut, and 90.8% screen to body ratio. We and 5-fold eye protection. This is the most thing attractive for this mobile, like for the heavy readers. If you are reading a lot, if you are a avid reader, just go for this mobile. Like, claiming that they comes with a 5-fold eye protection. One is this is the most unique thing with this mobile, like a 920Hz frequency PM dimming is flicker free in the dim lights, dynamic dimming The elevates eye figure by simulating the dynamic changes in the natural light, and the circadian night display adjusts the screen color temperature to match the melatonin excretion pattern, helping you sleep for a half an hour more. The hard ever level low blue light display effectively filters the harmful blue light from the screen, protecting the healthy of your eyes. The automated brightness adjustment also there. And next, coming to the battery, this one is the mind blowing. They come with a 5,800 mAh. You can easily they claiming that 3 days battery was worry free, hassle free. Not 3 days. It comes with initially when we purchase, we don't install much application. That's why it can last 2 days. If you are like if you're moderate user, if you are not using many applications, then it can come for more than 3 days. I think so. Even I'm using some other mobiles. I'm not using it all. Just install a SIM and place it inside. It was coming 4 to 5 days of battery backup. If you moderate user, you can easily go with 3 days of use. If you are a heavy user, it may take long. Like it cannot trace 1.5 day. And it's a 4nm. We are coming to the chipset. Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor. First, I think, according to me, it's the first Gen 1 processor. My knowledge didn't hear about 6 Gen 1 processor, like 4nm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor and gaming chipset with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 and a 4nm flagship processing technology. I think they have included some technology in this processor to boost the performance of this processor, and they go claiming that up to 40% of CPU performance, and they claiming GPU 35% of processing performance. The power core can help you fulfill unless you're put in. I think you have to closely concentrate and do more research on this processor. I don't know whether it may resist though too much gaming performance or no. And coming to it comes a 16 GB super large memory RAM turbo hand in hand with the super large storage. It comes with a 16 they mention the 8 plus size internal RAM and instant storage. Uh, Coming to the 108 megapixel camera, main camera, ultra clear and sensitive camera, claiming that it comes backside. We have a three camera, one flagship. Whether it has a three cameras, I don't know. One is 8 megapixel, one 8 megapixel is 1.16 inside. RP and RPG is 1.75 and comes with a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle, 2 megapixel macro, and 16 megapixel front camera and 108 megapixel. These are some wide angle and everything, every 4 centimeter super macro pictures you can hear. Like the images are decent, micro capture freeze, unforgettable movement, 3x, you can see a 3x lossless zoom, and with the instant movie, everyone can be master editor. This mobile comes with a Magic OS 7.2 perform better. No, you can better. Like I'm telling one more thing. There in previous model they launched a Honor 9. This Honor 9 is also decent mobile. Comes with if you purchase it for 20,000, 22,000. But the price of that mobile they increased from 22 25,000. They increased to 30,000. If you're they launch this mobile for around below 20,000, 18 to 25,000, you can buy it. Otherwise, you can go for alternate option. This is what about this is what my review about this mobile. I hope you like this. Make sure subscribe to my channel for more such more interesting tech videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.